Alright, I'm here out again. I'm trying to get something in before the rain comes. It's going to be pretty crappy next couple of days. So, got a Lumineer QAV-R 2, and yeah, that's a Hero 4. I've had it for a long time. It kind of locks up on me a lot, so I can't really use it, you know, for regular stuff, but it at least survives the flight. So the video is good, but, you know, the image is really good, so hey, why not still use it? But I don't know, let's see what happens. It's windy again today, so sorry for the loud wind, but I don't know, we'll see what happens. Hopefully I don't crash into something. But alright, here we go. so I made it. Here it is. Made in one piece. Just to let y'all know that, you know, I'm no super pilot. I just try to have fun, try to, you know, practice things here and there. I'll get better, I know, but it's still fun. Abandoned school, you know, social distancing, all that good stuff. You can see behind me there's like nobody here today, and probably for the next couple of months, but who knows. It's starting to rain a little bit, so it's really cold, so won't be outdoors till the weekend. It's supposed to be nice. So that's it. Take care, stay safe, all that good stuff.